In this video, we will learn these topics. Okay, let us start. First, function. Okay, function is a block of code and that perform specific task. And each function perform specific task. Okay, as you can see, this is our syntax. Okay, def. Def is a keyword to define the functions and function name. Okay, you can declare the function name like add sum. This is a function name. Okay, and this is a parameter. Parameter means arguments. Okay, and colon and bodies. Let us example. Okay, don't worry. Let us example. I will create function. Okay, so first def. Okay, def is a keyword to define function. Okay, def. Next function name, so I will use add. Okay, and bracket or enter parameter, so I will add two numbers, so parameter 1 and 2. Okay, and colon. This is our first line. Okay, so I will return a plus b. I will use return. Okay, return keyword. Return is a keyword to pass the value. Okay, and int and just wrong. We'll use just image. One second. Add in sum. Okay, add 5 comma 9, sorry 6. Okay, first this line, this is a calling. Okay, this is a calling, so I want call this function. Okay, and return plus, and plus take the sum. Okay, and print sum. Okay, and check what is the result. Result is 11. Okay, and multiple times use these functions. Okay, use this function. Next, sum 1 add 9 comma 6, and this line is copy, print and change name sum 1 and run this 11 and 5. Okay, so function is reusable. Function is reusable. Okay, I will use function multiple times, just this. Okay, first define function. Function work add two number. Function work add two numbers, so first call the function and give sum. Okay, and take sum, right? And change, and in the next, okay, function is a two types. First built-in function, second user defined function. Built-in function means it is built already in the Python. Okay, like print is a built-in function. Len is a built-in function. Okay, and most important type is a built-in function. Okay, but user defined function, user defined function means you can define the functions in Python. Okay, yes, you can define like addition to number. So user defined function means you can declare and you can define the function in Python. Okay, as you can see example, I will use user defined function and built-in function. Okay, first built-in function, so print print is a building function. Okay, and okay, print is a building function. And len, okay, use len. Okay. Print len type, this is a building function. Okay, this is a building function. Okay, so this is not wrong, this is wrong. Okay, okay, this is a building function, and this is a building function, and this is a building function. Type 45, this is an integer. Okay, and I will not print this line. Okay, I will not print keyword, so this is not be print. Okay, and next, user define function. User define function is define you. Okay, you can define function in Python. Okay, first def, use def keyword. Okay, def means define. Okay, def means define multi square sq. Okay, I will use sq means square. Okay, and give parameter and return x multiply x. Okay, and call. Okay, and calling this line. Okay, but I use print, so call into the print. Okay, inside the print, into the print, and call this function and enter. X value is 9, and just check it, and 88, because 9 is a x, 9 is a x, or x, and this function return x multiply x, means 9 multiply 9 is 81. Okay, I will change this line. Rather than copy this line, use reuse. Okay, I will use this function reuse, so I will use multiple times and run, and this. Okay, 7 multiply 7 is 49. 49, yes, 49. Okay, and this is reusable. Okay, so I will use functions, because functions are usable, readable, and accurate. Okay, next, recursion. Yes, recursion. A function calling itself is called recursion, means calling only itself, not other. Okay, so it's called recursion. As you can see, let example. Okay, use recursion. Okay, recursion, so def, use define, and use recursion. Okay, so fact, I will calculate factorial. So I will use factorial, and parameter is x. Okay, and colon, and write body. Okay, so if equal to f x is equal to 1. Okay, so return 1. Okay, and other than return x multiply factorial bracket x minus 1. Okay, and call no print. Okay, print and inside the calling. Okay, choose back. Okay. Tutorial 5. Then and done. Okay, so 5 factorial is 120. Okay, 120. Okay, this is our answer because recursion call itself, not other than, not other. Sorry. Okay, next lambda function. Yes, lambda function is the most important because a lambda function is a small. Okay, lambda function is a small anonymous function. Okay, lambda function is a small in anonymous functions. It is contain only one expression, not a many expression. Not it is contain only small expression like this. This is simple. Okay, sorry. This is syntax. First, lambda use keyword argument. This is a parameter. Okay, and colon and expression. Okay, as you can see. Okay, and next is apna lambda function. Okay, so lambda function is a simple one line function. So I will use first, I will create result. Simple. Okay, result. Just result. Result and use function lambda contain argument. Sorry, give argument. Argument is a plus b. Okay, print call result. Okay, because call this result and give number 4 comma 6 and next and check run. Okay, this is 10. Okay, this is our one line function. First result, because it's contain result, use lambda. This is argument, this is a expression. Okay, and in the next video we will learn these topics.